Buckle up and park your skepticism at the door, because we are officially living in the future of content creation. It sounds a bit dramatic, but I am here to walk you through a real, usable workflow that transforms long-form videos into a stack of ready-to-post clips without the manual grind. Think of this as a backstage pass to how the smartest creators are saving time and actually growing their reach throughout 2024. We are going to use Vizard as our star player today, but in a totally chill way that actually makes your life easier. First, we need to understand what actually drives creators crazy and makes them mutter swear words into their coffee at 2 in the morning. You don't need magic for this, you just need to listen to where people are already complaining online. Check out Reddit threads, creator groups on social media, or even the comment sections of popular YouTube channels to find the common pain points. You will quickly find people tired of manual editing, losing the best quotes in long videos, and juggling 5 different apps to post the same clip. You can use tools to summarize community complaints, but those usually just give you a list of problems without offering a path to solve them. That brings us to Chapter 2, taking those specific pain points and turning them into a solid, actionable plan. I like to imagine I am talking to a friend, just saying, look, here is what is broken, and here is how we can fix it. These identified pain points become the bones of your messaging and the brief for the tool you are going to use next. Now, you can definitely build custom chatbots to help draft captions or suggest thumbnail hooks for your content. But here is the catch. Those custom models are great at brainstorming scripts, but they won't actually do the manual labor of editing for you. They might tell you which parts of the video resonate, but they won't figure out the best vertical cut for TikTok while keeping a nice horizontal version for YouTube. Chapter 3. This is where Vizard comes in to glue the entire process together seamlessly. Vizard is built specifically to take long-form content and automatically surface the parts that actually matter. The magic isn't that it is flashy, the magic is that it focuses on the annoying, time-consuming work that creators hate. Here is the workflow I personally use. I upload a raw long video, like a podcast episode or a webinar, directly into the platform. Vizard scans it and does 3 core things. It auto-edits viral clips, it auto-schedules them, and it gives you a content calendar. Let me be concrete about the time savings because this part is actually wild. Normally, I would spend days asking an editor to chop out highlights, review them, and manually schedule everything across 3 different platforms. With Vizard, I uploaded the episode, hit the Find Viral Clips button, and it gave me 20 solid candidates with captions. I previewed them, did some minor trimming, picked a cadence, and the system scheduled everything for me. My total hands-on time was under 30 minutes, which is a massive upgrade from my old routine. There are other tools out there, but some are strong on editing while being terrible at scheduling, or vice versa. Vizard's edge is that it isn't trying to be a one-size-fits-all creative suite. It just automates the parts that are painfully repetitive. That consistency is the key because you can have great insights, but they don't matter if they only go live sporadically. Let's talk about quality, because auto-editing is one thing, but usable, high-quality exports are another. Vizard's clip selection preserves context and keeps the pacing natural without creating awkward, jarring cuts. It often includes smooth intro and outro fades and subtitle layers that you can easily customize. If you are on a shoestring budget and love hands-on editing, a manual approach might work for you for a while. But if you are pushing out multiple episodes a week, this tool starts to feel less like an expense and more like an investment that pays itself back. One underrated feature is the content calendar, because it is psychologically different to see a scheduled plan versus a folder of raw files. You can see your themes and gaps and coordinate your hooks around major launches or special events. Don't sleep on the auto-schedule intelligence, which attempts to optimize posting times based on your engagement data. One pro tip: use Vizard as your first pass, not the final word, to inject your own personality into the clips. The combination of AI speed and a human finishing touch is exactly where things really start to hit hard. My advice is to be surgical. Pick the painful part of your workflow and use AI to automate just that chunk. For most creators, that chunk is finding the moments, formatting them, and scheduling them, which is exactly what Vizard solves. So, that is my 3-step playbook. Listen to the pain points, map your content, and let AI do the heavy lifting. You will save hours, post more consistently, and get back to making the stuff that really matters. I have to go schedule tomorrow's batch, but you should definitely try this on your next long stream or podcast episode. You might be surprised by how many gems you find, and if you are, tell your creator friends so we can all look like time travelers together. Peace out, little robots, and happy creating.